Proverbs 19, 1 to 17. Responsive reading ulit tayo. Number 1 sa akin, number 2 sa inyo. And Proverbs 19, verse 1. Better is the poor that waketh in his integrity than he that is perverse in his lips and his sepulchre.
Also as the soul without knowledge is not good, and he that pleaseth with his feet sinneth.
The foolishness of man perverteth his way, and his heart prateth against the Lord.
Well maketh many friends, but the poor is separated from his neighbor.
A fool's witness shall not be unpunished, and his that speaketh lies shall not escape.
Many will make the reward of the prince, and every man is a friend to him that giveth gifts.
All the brethren of the poor do hate him, how much more do his friends go far from him? And he pursueth them words, yet they are wanting to him.
He that giveth wisdom by his own soul, he that giveth understanding shall find good.
A false witness shall not be unpunished, and he is that speaketh lies shall perish.
Delight is not seemly for a fool, much less for a servant of the head over princes.
The discretion of a man deferreth his anger, and it is glory to pass over the transgression.
The king's guard is as the wing of a lion, but his favor is as the wing of a grass.
A foolish son is the calamity of his father, and the contention of wife are continual dropping.
Houses and riches are the inheritance of fathers, and a prudent wife is from the Lord.
Slothfulness casteth in a deep of sleep, and it is idle soul shall suffer hunger.
He that keepeth the commandments keepeth the soul, but he that despiseth his ways shall die.
Lahat.
He that hath pity upon the poor, lendeth unto the Lord, and that which he hath given, for the pity give again.